Knob Lake Campground. Go to right. We'll wait till we get up here. Campground 2, 4, I'm sorry, it was 3 and then 4. And bear boxes. That's 3 still. There's 5. You're in these videos. Vault toilets. Campground 6. It's really quiet here. There is no electric. They are all primitive.
So Mondays, nobody can be in the campsite.
There's 7. 8. 9. 10. 12. So here's 11. And 13. Sorry for the quick movement, but they're right across from each other. 14. They each have a pad for your tent. Vault toilets. Site 15. Site 16.
That's a nice one.
Just nice. Site 17. That's really nice too. It does have a little bit of a slant, but where you put your tent is flat. 18.
That's level and it's a good size site.
Yep. If you had a camper that was set up for off-grid, this is 19. I think what we passed was 18.
Yeah,
There's a site down here.
this is a double site here, 20.
Double site is 20.
It's got a pool through also.
Well, it's a pull-through because it's a double site. There's someone there. And they have it's 21 over there.
Yes.
They have a bus in there, or a little vintage camper. It's absolutely beautiful through here. There's site 22. Site 23. That's a really cool site.
Across from
It is across from the vault toilet. 24 goes back in there. There you go. 25.
Okay,
There's a
nice.
camper there. They weren't outside though. Oh, 26. And 27. It's the wildlife people.
Okay.
28. 29. Another vault toilet. This is site 30. And then I believe what we're coming up on is
All
all walk-in, where you have to pack in your tent. You can't just drive up. So you come in here, one off to the left, one off to the right, and they're very secluded. There are some going up the steps here. There are two, one off to the left, one off to the right. Little parking spot right there. There's another one here. This is site 35, and it has stone steps going up. This one is 36. Yeah, you just park right here on the side of the road to go down.
37.
Oh, 37 is up there.
They're pretty much all the same up through here.
39 is up here. 38 is down there. Oh, toilet.
Just a couple more, yeah.
40. 41 and 42.
I believe that's the last ones.
There's 41.
42's
42
down
is-
fairly low, but
Yeah. And that is it. It is absolutely beautiful here and extremely quiet. And if you are lucky enough to be here on a clear night when it's not raining, you can see